You see this feet? My brother, I'm so happy. I can't believe we made it, brother. ዲላን ፔጅ ላገኘው ነው አሁን literally አሁን ልደውልለት ነው እታች እየጠበቀኝ ነው ድምጹ ሰምቼዋለሁ አንድ ፍሎር ላይ ነው እንትን ሩማችንና ድምጹን ሰምቼዋለሁ ሲወርድ አሁን ልደውልለት ነው ላገኘው ነው እዚህ እንደምታዩት on the way to London see you soon broski ብሎኛል አሁን ደውልለታለሁ ጭንቅላቴ ደግሞ ያመመኝ ታውቃላችሁ anyways የአርሰናል ጨዋታ ልናይ ነው ስታዲየም ገብተን ናስኪ እሱ መስሎኝ ልጅ እንደነገር በስማ ለምን እንደዚህ ጭንቅላቴ የሚያመኝ እስኪ ልደውልለት ስልክ Where are you, man? Ooh, baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby. Dylan, where are you? You downstairs? እያመመኝ ነው ታውቃለህ ሊፈነዳ ነው ጭንቅላቴ ዋይፋዩ ደግሞ ትክክል አይደለም እዚህ ጋር ቁጭ እንበል ዘግይዘው ጋይስ እዚህ ቁጭ ብለን ዲላን ፔጅ እየጠበቅነው ነው እታች ነው የመሰለኝ እኔ ድምፁ ስለሰማሁት ማለት ነው Okay where are you Dylan why is my WhatsApp not even working
Yeah, they just
WhatsApp in my setup Huh ያንተ አዎ ላከ አሪፍ Okay baby አሁን ይሰራል ልደውልለት አሁን የሚሰራ ይመስለኛል Yo. Where are you?
I just went across the road. I'm in a shop, and I'm coming back now. I can be there like 2 minutes.
2 minutes? Yeah. I'm at the lobby.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
See you there. All right. I'll see you there.
See you, brother. Okay. እየመጣ ነው ወደዚህ የሆነ ቃል ገዛ ሄዶ ነው ስለዚህ ወንድማችን እንጠብቃለን ካሜራ እየቀረጽን ማለት ነው because ቤት በኩል እንደሚመጣ እናቀም አስበዋል ባትሪ ብታልቂ አንቺ አሁን ባትሪ ብጨርሽ ነው ምልሽ anyways ከዲላን ፔጅ እንዴት እንደተገናኘው ትንሽ ታሪክ ልንገራችሁ እሺ ከዲላን ፔጅ ጋር የተገናኘ ነው አካውንቴ ላጣ ስቀርብ ነው የሆነ በቃ አካውንቴ በቃ ዋርኒንግ ላስት ዋርኒንግ ላይ ደረሰ ይጠፋብሃል ምናምን ብሎ ዋርኒንግ ላኩልኝ ቲክቶክ ከዛ ዲአክቲቬት አድርገው ተባልኩኝ ዲአክቲቬት አድርገህ ከዛ በውስጥ አፕላይ እናርግ ምናምን ተባልኩኝ ያ ደግሞ የፈሪ እንቅስቃሴ ደሆነ ነው ውስጤ የተሰማኝ ውስጤ ነገረኝ አትፍራ ፈሪ የሆንክ ነው ውጣውንና ለቲክቶክ ቪዲዮ ስራላቸው በእንግሊሽ አድርገ ከዛ ሌላስ ማን ልስራ ዲላን ፔጅ ለዲላን ፔጅም ቪዲዮ መስራት አለብህ አለኝ ውስጤ ኦራይት እቺ አሁን የእግዚአብሔር ድምጽ ነች ባይዘው ያያችሁ የሆነ በቃ የሆነ ነገር ላጣ ተቃርብ ያለው ስትሉ ወይም ነው የሆነ ነገር ስታጡ እግዚአብሔር ግን በሌላ በኩል ጥሩ ነገር ያዘጋጀላችሁ ነው ከዛ ለዲላን ፔጅ ቪዲዮ ሰራውለት ማለት ነው ዲላን ፔጅ እነዚህ ነገሮች ያጋጠሙኝ ነው ምናምን ብዬ ከዛ ሁላችሁ ዲላን ፔጅ መለሰ እናንተ አገዛችሁ ሜንሽን አረጋችሁት ምናምን ከዛ ይሄው እዚህ ነን አይገርምም እዚህ ለንደን የአርሰናልና በርንሌ ጨዋታ ልናይ አዶና የአርሰናል ልብስ ለብሶ ከዲላን ፔጅ ጋር ሊገናኝ like god damn you know it's unbelievable sometimes እግዚአብሔር የሚሰራባቸው መንገዶች ልነግራችሁ አልችልም እንዳንዳንድ ጣላቶች ቢሆንም አሁን ወድቀን አፈር እየላስን በሆነ ልንገራችሁ እውነቴን ነው የምላችሁ እኔ ቀና ምለው ከኔ ለሚማሩ አዶናይ ንጽህናው ውስጡ ለሚታያቸው መንገዱ ለሚታያቸው የአዶናይ ፐርፌክሽን ሳይሆን ኢምፐርፌክሽን የአዶናይ ኢምፐርፌክሽንም እነሱን የሚያጽናናቸው ሰዎች ለነሱ ስል ነው ቀና ብዬ ተስፋ አድርጌ ምንቀሳቀሰው ሁሌም እንጂ አንዳንድ ሰዎችማ ይገርሟችኋል እኮ በጣም ምንጣፍ ብንታነጥፉላቸው ማለት ነው ለምን አባህ የንጉስ ኮፍያ አላረክልኝም ብለው ይጠሏቸዋል። ኤኒዌይስ ሰው ነው፣ እግዚአብሔርም እግዚአብሔር ነው። የእናንተ ስራ መሆን ያለበት ለሰው ጥሩ መሆን፣ ሰውን ማገዝ፣ ለሰው ክፉ አለመመኘት ነው። እግዚአብሔር ደግሞ በተመላላሽ ነው የሚባለው፣ በተመላሽ ጥሩ ነገር ያመጣላቸዋል። ካርማ ይባላል። በቃ የሆናችሁትን እግዚአብሔር ያሳያቸዋል። ለጊዜያዊ እኮ የተጎዳችሁ ምናምን ሊመስል ይችላል፣ ለነዛ ምንቀኞችም ለእናንተም። ግን ደግሞ ከረጅም ጊዜ በኋላ ሲታይ እናንተ ናችሁ በቃ አሸናፊ እና ተመስገን። አዶናይ ከመቀሌ ወጥቶ ከዛ መቀሌ አድጎ ወደ ካናዳ ሄዶ አሳይለም ጠይቆ ጥገኛ ሆኖ ከ7 ዓመት በኋላ ፓስፖርቱን አግኝቶ አዲስ አበባ ተመልሶ በጣም በሙሉ ኢትዮጵያ ተጠልቶ ባለጌ ተብሎ ተስፋ ሳይቆርጥ በርትቶ ሰርቶ አሳይቶ ከፍ ብሎ አምኖ ጠይቆ መልሶ አገኘ። እዚህ ይገኛል። ተረዳችሁኛ? ትልቅ ነገር ነው ይሄ። እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን ትልቅ ነገር ነው እና ይህ መልእክት ለሁላችሁም። ዲለን መጣች። you see this feet?
wow.
My brother, I'm so happy. I can't believe we made it, brother. Yeah, man, you look amazing in person too, man. I'm so happy.
Here, bro. We are finally
is that Maddie right there?
That's Maddie right there.
Let me give you a hug, Maddie. How you doing, Maddie? So good to see you.
Man, it's good to see you in an Arsenal t-shirt.
Boom.
Bro, that's it.
Hey, man, I used to be a United fan, but this guy,
man, it's just convenient. Right when Arsenal's about to make history, you switch over.
Yeah.
It's a smart move, but
it's a very, very calculated move. Let me tell you that.
Oh man, this is so crazy.
So good to see you, man.
You look beautiful, man.
Thank you. Thank you, bro.
Alright, bro.
I lost this hoodie, man. You gotta give me one more. Yes. Literally, as soon as I hit Ethiopia, I don't know where it went. I need one.
Now,
definitely.
The real time is coming. We are first going to be going to the Baller League, which is big, and then we are going to watch Arsenal play with KSI. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy.
With KSI. Oh my fucking God. I cannot believe it.
Uber, bro. Otherwise, we're going to be late.
Let's get it. I'm excited, man.
Woo!
Are we going to be late?
Yeah, but it'll be alright. We'll figure it out.
Hi, Maddie.
Hi.
I was going to get her a dress, Ethiopian dress. She said no.
Oh, really?
She said no.
I said I can do a top or a jersey. I was like, I can't do a dress. I was like, this. Fine.
Now I see your style. Now I see your style. That was wrong. I see your style now. All right, let's go now, yeah?
Yeah, let's do it.
But Arif,
you got a girl, you're single.
I have a girlfriend.
Nice.
Her name is Jani. She actually has the same style as this. She likes like baggy clothes and
Yeah. And how long you been together?
Almost a year.
Nice.
You're actually gonna meet her up when we go to Ethiopia.
Yeah.
I'm gonna introduce you, man.
Nice.
Are you in a relationship?
What?
Are you in a relationship?
What you mean?
Are you in a relationship? What you mean?
What?
Are you? I don't know. What?
What do you mean? Am I in a relationship?
Yeah. Was that a wrong question?
I'm with her for 10 years, bro.
I thought you said I'm celebrating your social media career.
No,
I didn't think it was this.
You said, how do we meet? And I said we met at 17, bro. This guy's not even listening.
Maddie, I thought you were... No, I didn't think she was your girlfriend, but I thought she was by your side, like this person.
We've been together for almost 10 years.
Oh, Maddie, give me a hug, Maddie. Oh, I didn't know, sorry. I swear to you, I didn't know. I swear to you. I'm confused. London, come on, wake me up. Wake me up.
Jet lag, bro. I think he's jet lagged.
I'm actually having a headache,
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It must be a bad headache.
Guys, አሁን ወደ ስታዲየሙ እየሄድን ያለ ነው። ወደ ስታዲየሙ እየሄድን ነው። ፓዲንግተን ትሬን ያለ ነው። Maddie, who's going to be security?
Me.
Nobody knows me, so I'm going to be security today.
When we get there today, there'll be lots of people trying to speak to them.
Really? Hey, he doesn't have no security.
He's
okay.
London.
Really? He's okay.
Yeah, he doesn't mind.
Wow.
It's like nobody's trying to do anything bad normally in the UK.
Are you on social media, by the way?
No.
You're not. You don't like being on social media.
Go then.
Yeah. I can be your security, by the way, if you pay me.
Yeah.
If you pay me.
How expensive are you?
I have a yellow belt in martial arts. I started it when I was 10 years old.
For real?
Yes, and I stopped when I was 11. So, I mean, muscle memory, you know?
I can pay you a tiny amount for that experience.
Oh my God.
Now, what do you think so far?
I love it.
Yeah?
Yeah, truly do, honestly.
Yeah?
The weather, though.
Bro, yeah,
What?
that's what everyone says. The weather can beat you down.
It's gloomy.
Yeah, and this is what, like, bro, you've come at a time where it's not even that bad.
Right? This
You
is
come
basically
here
summer.
In, like, December and stuff, it gets dark at like
Okay.
4 p.m. Gets lights at like 9 a.m.
Okay,
Which side? It doesn't matter down there because I think.
we're gonna have to tap, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, I can't tap because I only have cash, but he has a card. የሚያሳብድ ጨዋታ አርሰናል የጨዋታ ካሸነፉ then it's gonna be what you guys doing? What you guys doing? ትልቅ ጨዋታ Sorry, worries.
Bro, I'm excited for
Dude,
This
I can't even. Oh, are you excited about Ethiopia?
Ethiopia.
You know, I'm excited myself.
Yeah?
I'm diaspora, as I told you.
Yeah.
So I've been abroad 7 years in Canada.
7 years.
So yes, I get to see the country with you mostly.
Yeah. Have you done some of the stuff that we're planning to do? or-
No, I
None of
haven't.
this?
I haven't. So that's why I'm so excited. I haven't touched no hyena. I don't think
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it.
Really?
If you do it though, I have to do it. That's a must.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I will be. So you're
I'll
going to
do
do it as
it.
well then?
You're gonna do it? So you have to feed like a raw meat to.
On the stick.
With the stick in your mouth?
Oh
They
man,
come-
great. How do I trust them? You
But
know?
I heard that there's been like no attacks in that city for like,
Maybe I swear.
or is that they
Lying.
just kept it quiet?
Reported. I'm joking. I don't want to cause no. I don't know nothing. I'm
You're
afraid.
not gonna do it.
Hey man, I'll see you do it and then. Oh, okay, this is the train we hang out on እንደምታዩት guys.
Huge fan.
Thank you so much,
I
man.
watched your video with Alex.
Oh really? Oh,
Yeah.
the Alex video.
Yeah, I watched everything. I watched everything.
Thank you so much, man. That's amazing. Yet the Alex is like a
How's it going,
deep cut, bro. That was like an hour and something.
Yeah, I watched the whole thing. I was like,
Jeez,
what?
bro, I need to
Yeah,
shake
man,
it out again. Thank you so
Can I
much.
take a
For
picture?
sure, man.
Oh, you're getting it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
let's go.
okay.
Let's go. The seats and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's.
If you both sit there, I'll record YouTube.
Okay. One, I need one.
Now,
Definitely.
the real time is coming. We are first going to be going to the Baller League,
Yeah.
which is big, and then we are going to watch Arsenal play with KSI. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy.
With KSI. Oh my fucking God.
I think
I
it's
cannot
time to
believe
get
it.
an Uber, bro. Otherwise, we're going to be late.
Let's get it.
get it.
I'm excited, man.
Guys.
Woo!
We'll be late.
Are we gonna be late?
Yeah, but it'll be alright. We'll figure it out.
Hi, Madi.
Hi.
I was gonna get her a dress, Ethiopian dress. She said no.
Oh, really?
She said no.
I said I can do a top or a jersey. I was like, I can't do a dress. I was like, this. Fine.
Now I see your style. Now I see your style. That was wrong. I see your style now. Alright, let's go now, yeah?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do
በቃ
it.
አሪፍ ሰላም ጋይስ፣ አሁን እንግዲህ ወደ ስታዲየሙ ልንደርስ ትንሽ ደቂቃዎች ነው የቀሩን። ትሬን ውስጥ ነው ያለነው ቁጭ ብለን። በጣም ብዙ ሰዎች አሉ እዚህ ውስጥ እና አንድ ደስ የሚል ነገር ልንገራችሁ ብዬ ነው። እግዚአብሔር ሁሌ መንገዴ እንደመራው ነው። በቃ መንገዴ በእግዚአብሔር እንደተመራ ነው፣ እንደሄደ ነው እና በቃ ይህ ልጅ ሳገኘው በጣም ትልቅ ነገር ነው። በቃ የነቃሁት ታውቃላችሁ እንዴት አድርገን እንደዚህ ደረጃ እንደደረስን እንዴት እንደተገናኘን እየነገረኝ ነበር እሱም ራሱና እግዚአብሔር ሁሌም አላማ እንዳለው እሱም በተመሳሳይ ምክንያት ነው ዛሬ ከሚያገኘው ትልቅ ኮንተንት ክሬተር የሚገናኘው እኔ በተመሳሳይ ምክንያት አይደል አካውንቴ ሊጠፋ ብሎ ተቸግሬ እሱን ጠራሁት እሱ ደግሞ ሌላ የጠራው ትልቅ ቲክቶከር አለና የኔና እሱ ተመሳሳይ መንገድ ነው ያለን። እግዚአብሔር ሁሌም በዝቅታ ከፍታ ይዞልህ ይመጣል። በቃ ህይወት የተበላሸ ብለህ ስታስብ ጥሩ ነገር ይዞልህ ይመጣልና ተስፋ እንዳትቆርጡ ልላችሁ ፈልጌ ነው። እግዚአብሔር የተመሰገነ ይሁን። እወዳችኋለሁ። How long has it been since you've been here?
We come every now and again. We try not to too much.
Okay.
Maybe it's been like a few weeks, a month. Because it's like it's such a big place, man.
I know.
All right, what line are we trying to get on? DLR?
Mild, mate.
He's so lost. If
Yeah.
I just left you here and I walked away now, I'd see you like maybe next month sometime.
Hey man. From my experience, I think it's this way.
Oh really? I
Yeah.
think there's the opposite way.
Is it the opposite?
Complete opposite. DLR?
To get out.
Okay, DLR is this way.
እንዴት ሁሉም ይጠፋችሁ ይችላል ግን
Okay, so
We need a local.
can anybody help us? Who should we
Way
ask?
out there.
Yeah.
Oh no, but there's also way out over there.
Please take extra care.
Oh, way out.
There's
Oh,
two
there's
ways
another
out.
one. This is not helping. This is not helping at all. Okay, Westfield, way out. And Town Center, way out.
Is it town center or should we just walk through the park?
We'll go that way.
We'll go that way?
Yep.
Let's follow Maddie.
Send it that way.
Maddie is correct. I believe in Maddie.
We're gonna end up in ends in a minute.
Okay, I hope not.
That way out?
Huh?
Right, just go up there and we'll figure it out.
Oh, this is another platform. It's another
Why?
platform.
Ah.
Come on, Maddie. I gave you all my hope. I believed in you. Okay.
Okay, Westfield, that's a good start.
Oh, light alone.
Way out. Ah, here we go, Mild Bay.
Yes?
Yeah. Taxi quick, right, up there.
Listen. Okay, this way. Okay, another one again. It's like you're solving a puzzle. So do you usually like to stay at home?
I do, but I also it's like kind of our schedule is right now. We travel once a month
Yeah.
to do documentaries, and then
Documentary for what?
for YouTube.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay.
so this
okay.
is Ethiopia is going to be one of those.
Something is cooking.
Yeah.
Maybe that might be the right one because it says 1 and 2.
Huh? Okay, should we go this one?
It's literally just one stop.
Should we risk it, Maddie?
Yeah.
Should we risk it? Okay. ጋይስ ዲላን ፔጅ እንደተናገረኝ ማለት ነው ምንድነው ያለው መሰላችሁ እነዚህ ቦቶች ሰው የሚኖርባቸው እንደ ቤቶች ናቸው ከዛ ደግሞ ሬስቶራንት አለ እዛ ጋር ሽታውም ለራሱ በጣም ደስ የሚለው ሳመር ላይ ሲሆን በጣም ብዙ ሰዎች እዚህ ጋር ይመጣሉ እነዚህ አሳያችሁና ቀርብ ብለ እነዚህ ቦቶች አያችኋቸው እነዚህ መርከቦች መኖሪያ ናቸው እንደ ቤት ማለት ነው የኛው መኖሪያ ነው ያቺ ደግሞ ሬስቶራንት ነች ምናምን ያኛው ጢስ እየወጣበት ነው ከዛኛው ደግሞ ያኛው ሬስቶራንት ነው በጣም ደስ የሚለው ለስዋክ እየቀረጽክሽ ነበር በምን አለ ይኸው በዚህ ሳይድ መኖሪያዎች ናቸው በአጠቃላይ ማለት ነው ክሬዚ እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ ትምህርት ቤት አለ ፈጠን ዛሬ ጭንቅላቴ እያመመኝ ነው ታውቃለህ አርሰናልና በርንሌ ትልቅ ጨዋታ ስታዲየም ገብቼ ኦ ማይ ጋድ
በቃ የአርሰናል ደጋፊ ሆኖ ቀረ አይደል
It's going to be crazy. አሸብርቅ ያለው ደግሞ በአርሰናል ቪዲዮ እየቀረጸ ነው ዲላን ትንሽ ጠጋ እንለታለን እና ኤኒዌይስ የሚገርም ሰፈር ነው ይሄ እንደምትመለከት ያኛው የሚገርም ሰፈር ነው
እንግዲህ የዛሬው ቪዲዮ እንዲመስል ነበረ በቀጣይ አዲስ ስራዎች እስከምንገናኝ በያላችሁበት መልካም ጊዜ